What if you could lose up to 8 inches or reduce your wrinkles without going under the knife? New non-ablative devices are changing the face of plastic surgery, literally. At Cara Mia Medical Day Spa, they have a new treatment, Velashape, which is an incredible breakthrough for men and women who want to have liposuction without the scars or look younger without a facelift. Take a look.
We're seeing shrinkage of cellulite. It doesn't always go away, but it's dramatic. We see a contouring of the skin in the belly area, in the thighs, in the arms, all those areas as we get older that we really don't like. Yeah. The other thing we're seeing with Velashape is decrease in circumference. We're seeing inches come off of people's thigh with just 4 Velashape treatments.
We have not seen a device like Velashape. Velashape is the first FDA-approved device that can contour, slim, and shape the body in as little as 4 treatments.
Velashape is FDA approved or approved by the Food and Drug Administration. We take this very seriously because it adds credence. It makes it more reputable. It's very important to us, and we research what we're going to bring into Cara Mia Medical Day Spa very carefully. Having Velashape be FDA approved is huge and just makes it a better procedure for us. It's safe. It's economical for our patients compared to some of the other procedures out there, and the patients are seeing immediate results, 1.5 inches off after 1 treatment.
Velashape is effective on all the areas that tend to be our problem areas, and that can be on the tummy, it can be on the hip area, it can be on the anterior, lateral, or posterior thighs, it can be on the buttocks, it can be on the arms. Not everybody has Michelle Obama arms, but everybody wants Michelle Obama arms, so that's another area that we can do.
It feels like a rolling, sucking massage that heats up gradually. There's no pain. It's not even uncomfortable.
We have patients that come in that don't want to go under the knife. They don't want to do liposuction. They don't want to have a general anesthetic. Maybe they have medical problems that don't allow them to go under the knife or have anesthesia. So now we have Velashape. They can do a procedure with minimal or no downtime. They can come in during lunch, and they can have 4 procedures once a week, and we see an immediate reduction in fat cells, and then over time we see an increase in collagen and elastin, which is our building blocks.
Velashape is unique in that it incorporates 3 different components, that of suction, infrared heat, and radio frequency. And those 3 things combined allows the tissue to break down the collagen and the fat fibers so that the tissue then becomes firmer and you're able to lose some circumference, which is the area that goes around your middle or around your hips or around your arms, and the tissue actually tightens itself. It's in and out in 30 minutes to an hour. There's no prep work, there's no aftercare, there's no downtime. People can continue with their busy lives. They can continue with their workouts and the things that are important for their life. We recommend that you do 6 treatments over a 6-week period, and then there is maintenance involved, just like anything that you do in life. If you work out and you get in shape, you do have to maintain that, and the same holds true for doing Velashape. So we do recommend that on average people will do 1 treatment a quarter, and we're going to individualize that based on the patient's needs.
A brand new cellulite treatment called Velashape claims it can tighten your skin and trim inches in less than a month.
So we're back with Janet Harris. She's a celebrity skincare specialist, and she is telling us something that sounds too good to be true. That this little gizmo Velashape, well, it can just make you thinner without working out at all. That's the bottom line.
Right now on the Weekend Insider.
Now, HTV favorite Kim Kardashian's cellulite solution.
Ready for some beauty makeovers?
Yeah!
Today, we're going to be addressing the face and the body. We're going to treat the body with Velashape. That's the only FDA-approved treatment to reduce cellulite and actually shrink and reduce fat.
Featured on Fox. It's been featured on Oprah magazine. The editor of Vogue has been Velashaped. So this is something that is gaining popularity. The buzz is out there, and we're thrilled at Caramia Medical Day Spa to be able to offer this to our patients.
What have you noticed?
The main thing is in the midsections, definitely lots of shrinkage. And then my post pictures, I can definitely see a change in my stomach as far as like the wrinkly skin and the tightness.
And have you noticed in the way your clothes fit you?
Definitely. My waist, I definitely have to wear a belt. My pants are so loose, and I feel like around like my thighs as well, they feel a lot
That is
looser.
so awesome. That's great. You're the ideal candidate, LaShondra, because you're young, you're thin, you're fit, you have a healthy diet, you're pretty much at your ideal body weight, but because you're post-baby and you've had some hormone changes to your body. So this is really helping you redefine your body and get that body back before you had your baby.
I agree.
Basically, you're trying to just heat the tissue up to a certain point. So we're not doing it by time, we're not doing it by number of passes, we're doing it by skin temperature. Part of the things that you're trying to do is to hold the heat within the tissue for about 10 minutes. And holding that tissue, holding that heat inside there allows the radio frequency and infrared light to work. Because the Velashape uses infrared heat and radio frequency and suction, and we're not using a laser or light component for the treatment, this is a completely safe treatment on all skin types. So the color of the skin does not affect the treatment.
When I first came for my Velashape treatment, I was curious to try it to see, does this treatment actually work? It was a short 20-minute treatment. There was absolutely no downtime, and I loved the results.
There's not too many things that we can do for aesthetics that doesn't require some sort of discomfort. And so it's really nice to be able to offer patients something that will show results that doesn't require downtime, doesn't require a lot of discomfort.